Hello and welcome to this introductory video on Python. I am excited to guide you through this beginner-friendly exploration of Python. So whether you are a beginner or you have some coding experience, Python is a fantastic language to start with due to its wide range of application from software development to businesses. This introductory video is the first video to a complete Python series which will be available here on this channel. It will cover all the fundamental Python topics from beginner to advanced. So if you're interested, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you would not miss out on any of the upcoming content. Also, something unique will be done in this course which many other courses don't consider, and that is student opinion will be considered. Yes, in this course, student opinion will be considered. If there is a Python topic which you need to be covered, then all you need to do is write it down in the comments below and a video will be made on that topic. Okay, so in the subsequent videos, if you watch a video and there is something you don't understand and you want a video to be made on that topic, you should write what you don't understand or the name of the topic you want to be covered in the description below, and a video will be created on that topic. So if this sounds interesting, make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos, and also I wish you a happy learning time. So let's continue with the introduction. Python is a versatile and powerful language and is used in so many different domains. We have web development, game development, software development, mobile application development, network programming, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, robotics, and many other. Python is widely used in all of these domains. So the question arises, why Python? Why do people use Python? Firstly, let us get to know about Python. Python was founded by Guido van Rossum. The language originated in the late 1980s with its first official release, Python 0.90, arriving in February 1991. So his motivation came from a desire to develop a language that would be easy to learn and suitable for various applications. So here, if you go to the official website of Python, python.org, you're going to see the definition of Python, which says Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantic. Don't worry if you don't understand these terms. Each and every one of these terms will be explained in this video step by step for you to understand. So it says Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level language with dynamic semantics. And also it says here that it makes it very attractive for rapid application development. Alright, so this is an example of a Python code to print hello world. See how straightforward it is, right? Print hello world. That is how simple Python is. And in the subsequent videos, when we start coding and writing Python code, I'm going to explain it very clear to you, and you're going to understand clearly the syntax of Python and how to write your own Python programs. Here is an example to find the largest of two numbers. Here is a function definition, define function, and it takes two parameters. And here's an if statement checking if number 1 is greater than number 2, then you return number 1, else you return number 2. So this is an example. Don't worry, all of this we are going to learn it in detail in the upcoming videos. So when we saw the definition of Python, it said Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. So the first term, interpreted, what does this mean? So when we talk about interpreted, Python code is executed line by line at runtime rather than being compiled. For those who know about C and C++, Java, you see that the languages are being compiled before execution. But with Python, the code is executed line by line, which means the first line is executed first, the second line is executed, the third line, the fourth line, and so on. And then the next term we saw was object-oriented. Python supports object-oriented concepts like classes, inheritance, and polymorphism. And the next term we saw was high level. Python syntax is closer to natural language, making it easy to read and write. We saw the example how to print hello world. So it says print hello world. So high level simply means it is closer to human language as possible. Why? Keeping away all the complex memory management or machine interactions away from the user. So you focus on writing a code which you can understand and everyone else reading can understand. Is who uses Python? Well, Python is widely used in the world today and by so many companies. Python is used by Google, Facebook, Netflix, Spotify, Uber, NASA, Instagram, and so many other companies. So why is Python being used by all of these companies? That is where we get into the futures of Python. When we look at the futures of Python, you're going to understand why these big companies are using Python for some of their tasks, like machine learning tasks and other tasks. Why they are really using Python and why Python is so popular today. So that is it for this section. In the next section, we are going to study about the futures of Python. Yes, we are going to study about the futures of Python. And do not forget, if you want any topic to be covered or if there is anything you did not understand, just leave a comment about it in the description below and a video will be made explaining that concept which you want or the topic which you want. But for now, make sure you subscribe so you're not going to miss out on the subsequent videos which are going to be made and will be available on this channel. 3 videos will be made weekly, so make sure you are subscribed so you won't miss out on those videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.